Hi, Bob the Canadian here. In this English lesson, I'm going to take you to 4 different restaurants and I'm going to teach you 4 different English phrases that you can use to order food in English. Well, hey, welcome to this video on ordering food in English at a restaurant. Before we get started though, I wanted to mention 2 things. Number 1, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please click that red subscribe button below. And number 2, if you're worried that I'm going to eat all this food myself, I'm not. My kids are eagerly waiting at home to see what food I order and what food I bring home today. So the first thing we're going to order is a pizza. In this restaurant, I'm going to order a small pepperoni pizza, and I'm going to use the phrase, I would like to order, or the short form of it would be, I'd like to order. So let's go in and order a small pepperoni pizza.
Hi, how can I help you?
Yes, I would like to order a small pepperoni pizza.
Is it for pickup?
Yes, for pickup, please. Yep.
What's your phone number?
It's 905
Yeah.
386
386.
0042.
And your name?
Bob.
Bob?
Yep.
What do you like to order, Bob?
Just a small pepperoni pizza.
And that's everything for today?
That's everything for today, yep.
Okay. So your total comes to 905 cash.
Yep.
$0.95 your change.
Thank you.
And it will take about 15 to 20 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very
Okay.
much. So the next thing I thought we should order is a hamburger and some fries. It's a pretty classic thing to order from a fast food restaurant. And in this restaurant, I will be using the phrase, I will have, or I'll have. I'll have is the short form of it. So let's go in and get a burger and some fries. Hi, how are you?
Good, sir. How are you?
Good. I'll have the teen burger.
It's for here or to go, sir?
To go, please.
Okay.
And the combo, please.
Fries and a root beer?
Fries and root beer would be good. Yep,
That's everything?
that's everything.
And
Yep.
have a name for the order?
Bob?
It's 1196, sir. Thanks, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. The straws are over there.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Thank you very much. See ya. Well, we're done here. We got a burger and some fries. And the drink I got is a root beer. So let's head to the next place. So the next thing I thought we should order is a sub. In this restaurant, I'll use the phrase, could I have, to order my sub. Not sure what sub I'm getting yet. We'll see when we get in there. Could I have a cold cut combo?
Sure. Which bread?
Whole wheat bread.
Footlong?
Foot long, please. Yes, thank you.
Toasted tree?
Not toasted.
White cheddar? Orange?
Orange cheddar, please.
What would I have?
Some tomatoes, some spinach, and some cucumbers, please.
Anything else?
Yeah, is there a combo?
Yeah.
Yeah, can we make that a combo?
Would you like cookies or chips?
Cookies, please.
Alrighty, you get 2 chips.
2 chocolate chip,
And you want a fountain drink or a bottle?
fountain drink.
Medium size.
Yes.
That'll be $12.05. 15. $2.95.
Thank you very
Would
much.
you like the receipt today?
No receipt, no. Thank you. So I got my sub. Now I just need to fill up my own drink over here. So I'm here at Tim Hortons, of course. The last thing I'm going to order today is a half dozen donuts. So my kids will have something to eat for dessert. I'm going to use the phrase, could I get, to order the food that I need. Hi, could I get 6 donuts? Do you need to know what kind?
You can just choose them if you want, like after you pay.
Yep, so that sounds good. That's it.
That's it?
Yep.
You have a rewards card today?
Nope.
And is that cash or debit?
Debit.
What is the donut?
I have to let them know which donuts I want. Yeah, so I'll have a chocolate dip. There's one right here, I think. Boston cream. Vanilla dip. Maple dip. A classic sour cream. And another Boston cream. Awesome, thank you. I think of all the stuff I bought today, this is going to be my kids' favorite for sure. So I actually almost forgot that I have to pick up the pizza yet. So we're back at the pizza shop and I'm going to go in and get my small pepperoni pizza. Hi, small pizza for Bob?
Yeah, that's right.
Excellent. Thank you very much. So I got the pizza and our little trip is almost done, but there's one more stop actually. So I was almost done making the video and Jen texted me and asked if I could get her a peppermint tea from Tim Hortons.
Hi, can we help you?
Yeah, could I get a large peppermint tea?
Anything else?
Nope, that's everything.
All right, no, it's fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Peppermint tea black?
Is it $1?
It's 202, so $2.
$2.02. There you go.
Do you have your rewards card?
No.
That's all right. Here you go.
Thank you.
Happy day.
You too. One really big cup of peppermint tea for Jen. And now I think I'm done. Well, hey, that was 4 ways to order food in English. I hope that you learned a few new English phrases today. Bob the Canadian here. You are learning English with Bob the Canadian. If you're new here, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below and give me a thumbs up if this video helped you learn just a little bit more English. And while you're here, why don't you stay and watch a couple more videos.